what is the craziest, worst story you guys have had to come across and navigate as it relates to IT and cybersecurity?
I think the most tragic, or the one that's the hardest to navigate, was an organization that had two IT people that were working inside the organization. They were in the same vehicle on a snowy day. We're traveling down the road, had a car accident, and both of them passed away in the instant. And the organization had no disaster recovery plans, they had no documentation, they had no continuity strategy for what to do after that. And so they called us in, obviously in a panic, and we had to walk in and try to uncover, discover, find all the ways that the network had been put together. And unfortunately, the two IT guys had a good working system amongst themselves that they understood, but they didn't have any documentation that we can find, and they didn't adhere to best practices in the network. And so everything was this massive discovery of how the network was effectively cobbled together, and we kind of had to start from scratch. And it cost the organization probably 3 or 4 weeks worth of productive time, just because things were broken and we didn't know how to fix them because there was no documentation, and it was set up in such a unique manner that it was kind of chicken wire and duct tape.